Modernique. Today we're diving into the challenge of designing a home that's only 3x7 meters, or just 21 square meters. Small? Yes, but with the right layout, it can feel surprisingly spacious and luxurious. Let's look at the smartest way to make this tiny home work. The first priority is to combine your living room and kitchen. This saves precious space without sacrificing function. A compact linear kitchen fits a stove, sink and fridge all in one line. Right across from it, a small couch, 3 chairs and a fold-out dining table create a cozy yet flexible living area. Next is the bathroom. At just 1.2 by 2.1 meters, it's compact but efficient. A sliding door keeps the flow open, while inside you fit a shower, toilet, and a slim sink. All without crowding. For the bedroom, we reserve 2.8 by 2.4 meters. That's enough for a bed, 2 side tables, and even a 2.4 meter wide closet. To keep it airy, vertical storage above the bed makes every inch count. So far we've covered the essentials, but the best part of this design is still ahead. Keep watching to see the clever storage tricks that make 21 square meters feel much bigger. Tiny homes only work if you get storage right. Think vertical, shelves above the couch, cabinets above the kitchen counter, and clever bathroom storage. This avoids clutter while keeping everything within reach, and that's the complete 3x7 tiny home design: functional, stylish, and surprisingly livable. Which part of this layout would you want in your own home? The open kitchen or the clever storage ideas? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone dreaming of their own tiny home.